Right, so in this product research video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chrome extension Commerce Inspector to see products that people are recently launching. So yeah, you want to go ahead and install the Commerce Inspector Chrome extension. If you don't have this extension, just Google it, and then you should get this extension appearing in Chrome when it's installed. So what you want to do is you should have built up a list of sites by now using the teachings in the previous video. And what you want to do is you want to go and use Commerce Inspector on those sites, right? So you want to go here. You don't need to get the paid version of Commerce Inspector. You can just use the free version. So what you want to do is you want to go to products, and basically you want to have a look at products that have been recently launched. And ideally you want to find products that are being sold for a price point that's ideally like above, a price point that's $20 or above $20, right? You don't want to be selling anything under $20. So just when I'm looking here, these two products could potentially do well just because I'm looking at the price point. So I'm going to have a look at these products here. So it's called the Pregnancy Full Body U-Shaped Pillow. So what I'm going to do is connect to make sure I'm in the US, and I'm going to type in Pregnancy U-Shaped Pillow. I didn't spell it right. So we can see here that we've got some sellers selling this for like quite high price points, right? So this product is potentially a good product to sell. If we see the volume, it's only at 0 a month. That's because I probably typed in some weird keywords. So if we type in like pregnancy pillow, we'll probably come up with, yeah, here we go. So we'll come up with, 90,000 searches. So that's heaps, right? So we've met that criteria. We can also see that we could potentially price this product pretty competitively. So I'm going to open up AliExpress and look for pregnancy U-shaped pillow. So we can see some of these being sold for about $20. Some are a bit cheaper, like $15. So I'm just going to see if we have enough margin or enough wiggle room. Yeah, I mean, we still have enough margin. People are selling it for like $54, $44, $109. So we can definitely sell this product with a decent profit. Just from looking at some of these stores here, like Gadget Cheetah, I'm pretty sure these will be drop shippers that are selling it as well. We have a look here. Yeah, so it's definitely a drop shipping store. So I would, another drop shipping store. So I would definitely go and test this product. So we'll have a look at baby support, whatever that is. And then I'm just gonna have a look through here, and foldable Bluetooth keyboard, I'm guessing as well. Soft touch baby support seat. So if we go in here, type in baby support seat, let's have a look. So when the top 5 are dominated by like Walmart, Target, eBay, it's not exactly the greatest because it can mean that it's super competitive. If we look across here, we can't really see any stores that like with a drop shipping name. And because like, I'm also having a look at the volume as well, which is 880, which isn't great. But if we have a look at related keywords, I'm going to try sit me up floor seat. I think that's a totally different, I think this is actually a product name for a branded product. So I might give this product a miss just because the volume isn't that much. And the related keywords, that's like probably a trademarked name. So I'm going to give this product a miss. So let's have a look at foldable Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Foldable Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Might just type in foldable Bluetooth keyboard. So the volume isn't that much. And we can actually see this store, Quirky Robot, appear in the top 3. We can see some other drop shippers here like Gadget Cheetah, Trend Delivery. So I'm just going to try and type in foldable keyboard and see what comes up. See if there's more volume behind it. It's 880. So like with the related keywords, there's a combined monthly search of over 1,000. So I mean, this is still like worth a try. I'd still give it a shot, and especially because we can see other drop shippers promoting it. So I would still test this even though the volume isn't that high, because we could still potentially get a profitable product even without that much search volume. So I'd go ahead and test this anyway. So I just found this drop shipper selling this So as an example, so right now, I know they're running Google Shopping. So I'm going to go to products and I'm going to see what they're testing as well here. So this is just like a cycle that you do. You search for products, you try and find dropshippers that are using Google Shopping, you use Commerce Inspector, and then find some more products.